happen. I'm heading down to the end of the racetrack, and I'm going to tell you why. They, or we, here at Eddyville Raceway Park have a FOD mat. Now, FOD is like a foreign object. FOD, F-O-D, department? I can't remember. When I was in the Navy, though, we did what we called FOD walkdowns, because on the flight line, you had to pick up all the debris so that you didn't FOD an engine or a foreign object get in one of them jet engines and just destroy it. So we did what we called FOD walkdowns. Gerald tells me they have a FOD mat that they use on the racetrack, and I'm headed that way to see Dwayne, because I think Dwayne's running it up and down the track right now. So stay tuned. I'll just turn you around here, show you where I'm headed. Just cruising. Matter of fact, I should probably go the other way. Nope, there he is right there. Shut the old bird off. I tell you, Cassie's got the old bird running like a dream. Here we go. There's Dwayne. Holy buckets! Did you just get that off the track?
That's one pass down and one pass back.
No way.
Yeah. That's why I come to empty it before I...
Oh, check that out. More. That's amazing. All right. Blowing it off into the infield here. Dwayne, I'm gonna have to ride with you so I can see how this thing works.
That's fine.
Check that out, and that's a quick way to get it cleaned off too. A FOD mat. Right there, guys. High speed industrial sweeper, it says. That's cool. So now I know why these two are here. You drive between them, do you?
Yep.
Awesome.
Well, that keeps people from running around down here and seeing that, hey, there's something here.
Gotcha.
I better not run over that.
Oop. There we go. Bingo. All right, I'm gonna ride back here. This is gonna be so cool. Whoever came up with that has to work for airports, I would say. Oh, check it out. I hope you guys can see that. It's just picking that stuff right up. Just gonna head down the old racetrack here, so that's where we're headed. Every little piece of debris, check that out. Boy, back in the day we used to use the sweeper, and the problem with the sweeper is it just would sweep it off to the side over here, and then it would end up, if the wind blew, it'd just blow it right back on the track. This has got to help also when there's an oil down, if you use oil dry. Look at that thing filling up. I hope you guys can see that. It just goes to show you the care that goes into taking care of Eddyville Raceway Park. And not only that, but what it actually takes to prepare the track for racing season, and especially on events. I'm just impressed. I am impressed with that. jump off, Dwayne. Stay right there for a second. Okay. Okay. Just an amazing piece of equipment. Again, that's that FOD mat that they have here. And you can see with all the debris that it's actually picking up, all the little rocks, and I'm just impressed by it. There's no doubt about that. That's amazing. There he goes. Now, when he gets back down here, I'm going to jump back on with him. We're going to ride down the other side of the track, and I'm sure we're going to dump it out. When we started, there was little to no debris in that mat. And you guys are going to get to see firsthand of how much actually came off of this racetrack. And it looks super, super smooth. You can just see the dust popping up there too. I'm impressed. I hope you guys are enjoying this, because let me tell you what. I can't get over it, Dwayne, how this is so cool. Look at that thing, it's so full of debris. There you go, racers. Once again, what it takes to make sure that this track is not only prepped correctly, but it's clean. And amazing. Amazing what this thing does. I'm gonna end up falling off here. I am just blown away. I don't know what's full, Dwayne.
Yeah, I can turn around and go down it again.
Okay, okay.
It ain't, so like I say, it'll come out the sides even though it's Velcroed.
Gotcha.
There's still enough gap if you turn very fast and it gets very full, it
Wants
shoots
to
it
roll
out
out.
the side.
Yeah, it wants to roll out the end. I can see it happening. Yeah. Let's keep rolling. Whatever you want to do. You're the...
One more pass down, then I better go down again.
Okay. If you cross the yellow line, I'm going to have to disqualify him. Sorry. Quick performance. Woo, there's the burb. Heading around to the old circle track here. Gotta find a dumping spot. Unhook.
Yep.
All right, now what's the trick here? Just lift it up and shake it out?
Yep.
Look at that. Nuts, bolts, washers, rubber. That's simply an amazing piece of equipment right there. All right, that's Craig Digs Rock Shop down here. I am with Dwayne, and we are doing a FOD walk down, or a drag down, I guess is what you'd call it. With that said, that's what it takes to get the debris off the track. I'll catch you guys at the racetrack. I'm going to do some more video, and we'll catch you later.